Hey guys, my name is Sunny and welcome to SL Prime. So I'm guessing you guys are looking for a new phone, specifically a phone with outstanding battery life. Well, today you're in luck. Introducing the Mi A3. Alright, I'm gonna be honest, you probably never heard of this phone before. So this phone is actually manufactured in China by a company called Xiaomi. By the way, if you're from China and you're watching this, I hope you guys are alright. I know the coronavirus is out there and it's kind of dangerous, so best of luck to you guys. If you're dealing with the coronavirus, make sure to comment down below and let me know how the situation is going from your point of view. But anyways, back to the video. The biggest feature of this device is, of course, the battery life. The phone works amazing for me, and often it lasts for 3 days without charging. And as you probably can notice, the phone is running Android. How is it the battery so good? Do I do some crazy optimizations or something? Well, no, I actually don't do anything. The battery is just that good. Why is the battery so good? Well, there's a couple of reasons. One, the Mi A3 comes with the Snapdragon 665. Those mid-range chips that come with a lot of mid-range phones like the Xiaomi Mi A3 actually prioritize efficiency rather than raw performance. Another reason why battery is so good on the Mi A3 is the screen. So it is actually a 720p Super AMOLED display, and that means because it's 720p, it actually has a lower power draw. And of course, it is AMOLED, which means the display actually turns off if a certain color is very, very close to black. So that saves some power too. I recommend you guys to go ahead and purchase Xiaomi Mi A3 if you're living in wherever except America. If you have CDMA carriers like Verizon, it won't work with the phone. So you're gonna have to go with AT&T or something. I don't know. Other than that, the phone is actually pretty snappy, reliable, and can take some decent pictures. If you want to know more about the phone or the cameras, subscribe because I'm going to be making some videos upcoming soon. And that's it, guys. This is Sunny from SL Prime, and peace out.